Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Said I'm again, we gotta go.
Hey, bro, the lights don't went out, but the water on. I know it. My girl said she better take her bath.
No, that's right.
Boss lady house. Everybody, it's just me and my dad. Everybody else with the boss lady house. Let's just stay alone. Looking right there. I think the ice is just dripping in something.
All right, you guys. So right now it is. What time is it? What time is it, babe?
That's the fire. Can't nobody do that but the fire people.
9:30.
Okay, so it's 9:30 p.m. right now, and it's 9:32, and the lights went out. The lights went out, and then somebody pulled a fire alarm, I think they said. So now the fire alarms are just going off in everybody's house and outside. If you can hear it, then you know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. But I just had to come on here and talk about it. But like, it's crazy though, because the water literally is on, but the lights are off. But when the lights was on, the water was off. If you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I just had to come on here and tell you guys about that. This shit's crazy. Like, I really wasn't expecting all of this, but we leave tomorrow, hopefully. Yes, look at that. You see that? But yeah, so we just chilling right now, literally just waiting for the fire department to come to like turn the lights, turn to fix it, because only the fire department can fix it. But I just had to come on here and tell you guys because this is crazy. Like, I wasn't expecting all of this for over some snow. But then they're not ready. Houston ain't even like built for this. Like, they're not used to this type of stuff. So this is crazy. But we leave tomorrow at 8:50 p.m. to go back to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Hopefully, praying, because they saying that another snowstorm is supposed to hit. So
Not even just here in Texas, but also in PA.
oh, not even here. What? Oh yeah, you just said that. Not even here in Texas, but also in PA. Like, this is crazy. I was telling Bae, it makes me be like, what is like God like stopping us from? You know what I'm saying? Because it's just like, not in a bad way, but just like what is He protecting us from? Because like, this has never happened like this. You know what I mean? So it's just like, I don't know. I'm just taking it as it is. My kids are great. My kids are safe. You know what I mean? I know that they're great and good. So yeah, y'all. I just had to come and tell y'all about this. So I see you guys in a little bit. That's right. Update. So the fire alarm went off here, like on our building, but it's still going off in the other building. But a fire alarm went off here. So right now we just chilling. We just been cooling. But yeah, y'all, I just had to come and tell you guys that. What's up, y'all? It is day 3 of stuck in Houston. So currently the lights are out and the water's out. So, but they were flickering, the lights were flickering on and off in the morning time, but then, you know, they turned the lights off. So now we're without lights and without water, but we are still making do. We are still chilling. We're still vibing. We're still not like tripping, pretty much, I would say, because, you know, this is Mother Nature. This is what's happening. And plus we're all safe. But yeah, so right now I just want to come in and show you guys that we're just chilling. Last night it was a little crazy with the fire alarm and stuff, but that eventually went off. The fire department, I don't even think the fire department came, y'all, but like the fire department, the fire alarm finally went off in all the buildings. And then yeah, but this is what the weather's looking like today. This weather is crazy, y'all. Houston is crazy, I'm telling y'all.